Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nadia Ramadhani from 5PL class. Today I'm going to explain about variable types in research. So, before going further to what the two kind of variable in research, let us know first what is variable. Variable is the thing that we expect that we measure in our research, which is we control or we change to expect to have effect toward expected results that we want will be happen in our result or as we want in our hypothesis. So the first kind of there are two kind of variables. There is independent and dependent variables. The first one, independent variable. What is that? It is it also called as cause. It's so and dependent variable is the effect. So the independent variable's value is not dependent toward other variables in the study. In an experimental research, the independent variable is manipulated or changed by the experimenter to measure the effect of the change of these changes on the dependent variable. So, this in an experiment, the researchers is looking for the possible effects on the dependent variables by changing the independent variable itself. For example, like when we think that we want to have an effect. For example, we are doing a research to see an effect of the amount of likes given to tomato plants, to, and we want to see the effect toward the growth, for example. So the thing that we change the thing that we change in our experiment is the amount of likes given toward the tomato plants, and we assume that it's going to have direct effect, that is the growth, the fast or the slow growth of the tomato plants itself, that is uh, called as the dependent variable. So again, the second one, the dependent variable, is the effect. Its value depends on the changes of the independent variables. In the experiments, we manipulate the independent variable and measure the outcome toward the dependent variable. For example, moreover, the dependent variable is being tested and measured in an experiment that at the end, dependent variables are going to be the outcome of our research. Okay. So some examples of independent and dependent variables. Do tomatoes grow fastest under fluorescence in incandescence or natural light? So the independent variable or the variable that we change is the type of lights given to the tomato plant. And also the dependent variable or the thing that we measure as the results of our study is the rate of growth of the tomato plant. For example, we measure the height of tomato plant and so on. So the next examples, what is the effect of diet and regular soda on blood sugar levels? The independent variable or the variable that we change is the type of soda you drink. So if, for example, if you drink Coca-Cola or plain soda, Coca-Cola, which is sweet one, are going to, for example, have direct effect, which is your blood sugar are going to be increased and also increase in levels. And in exchange, if you drink, for example, plain soda, it just has no effect toward the blood sugar levels or something like that. So the independent variable is the type of soda, and the dependent variable is the blood sugar level. And also another example, how does phone use before bedtime affect the sleep? So the independent variable is the amount of phone use before bed, for example, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour, and also it has effect toward the number of hours of the sleep itself, and also the quality of sleep, called as the dependent variable. And the last example, how well do different plant species tolerate salt water? So the independent variable is the amount of salt added toward the plant's water, and also the dependent variable is the plant growth, plant wilting, and also plant survival rate. Another kind of variables in another type of research. Outside of an experimental setting, researchers also often cannot directly manipulate or change the independent variable that they are interested in. For example, in social science, which is, the variable is not easily changes or manipulated. So the researchers often find the data from the previous research also comes from the data that comes directly from the society. So the researchers should find it, not change or manipulate it, but find the different kind of data. For example, they want to research about populations and also societies, professions, effects on blah blah blah. So they should find it their own. Another kind of variable that is really important, but it's not a kind of variable, but it is a different kind of different names that is control variable. Control variable is a factor that's controlled or held constantly during an experiment. It's it's not included in variable and in independent and dependent variable. So the control variables, for example, like uh, when you do research in a likes of in the effect of lights toward the growth of tomato plant. So the control variable is the temperature, the humidity, and so on. And another variable or value that might not directly affect, but it still has an effect which is going to influence the experiment's results. So it's really important. If you do not control the variables, it might disturb the results of an experiment at the end of the day. So it makes us easier to reduce the amount of disturbance in our research. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.